The iron and steel plants of Rourkela and Durgapur were conceived under the answer D. Second 5-year plan. The 1 rupee currency notes of India are issued by answer C. The Ministry of Finance, Government of India. From which year the policy of globalization of Indian economics has been followed? Answer A. 1991. Price can be stabilized by answer B. Controlling the supply of money. Which of the following estimate the national income of India? Answer A. Central Statistical Organization. The slogan Garibi Hatao was included in which 5-year plan? Answer A. 5th plan. Indian rupee is fully convertible at answer C. Current account. The Reserve Bank of India was established in the year answer D. 1935. Which one of the following rates are not determined by the Reserve Bank of India? Answer D. Prime blending rate. In India, the natural rate of increase of population was highest during decade. Answer D. 1981 to 1991. The poverty line in India has been defined on the basis of answer A. Calorie intake index of the pupil. Which of the following is not one of the source of revenue of the village panchayat? Answer D. Income tax. Panchayats in West Bengal is authorized to collect answer A. Toll taxes and water taxes. World Development Report is published by answer A. The World Bank. The Reserve Bank of India is answer C. A shareholders bank. During which 5-year plan was Green Revolution initiated in India? Answer D. 4th. After which 5-year planning had to be give a short holiday? Answer A. Third 5-year plan. Economic reforms and liberalization were introduced in Indian planning in the answer D. 1990s. Which group of the society is first affected by continuous inflationary prices rises? Answer B. Fixed income group. Balance of payments account of a country. Answer C. Records of the country's economic transactions with the rest of the world. Indian economy is a answer D. Mixed economy. The Community Development Program was launched in the year answer A. 1952 AD. Which of the following has been given special representation in Panchayati Raj? Answer B. Women. The Human Development Index was first introduced in the year answer D. 1990. IRDP means answer C. Integrated Rural Development Program. Heavy industrialization was introduced in India in the answer D. Second 5-year plan. Indian leader accepted planning from the experience of answer D. Russia. Green Revolution was most successfully in the answer C. 60s. In India, 14 major commercial banks were nationalized in the year answer A. 1969. The largest contributor to the gross domestic saving of India is answer C, the household sector. Planning Commission is a answer D, non-statutory body. A major part of Indian agriculture is characterized by answer A, small size farm. Which of the following is included in the Employee State Insurance Act 1948? Answer D, medical benefit. India's 5-year plans are finally approved by the answer A, National Development Council. Niti Aayog is a setup by answer A resolution by Union Cabinet. Which of the following taxes, duties is not under the jurisdiction of the central government? Answer C, land revenue. Who is the pioneer of economic nationalism? Answer C, Bipin Chandra Pal. The major part of tax revenue in India comes from answer B, indirect taxes. What is meant by SEBI? Answer B, Security and Exchange Board of India. The monetary policy of India is framed by answer B, the Reserve Bank of India. Deficit financing, answer C, increased money supply. When was the first West Bengal Human Development Report published? Answer B, 2004. India took annual plans from answer B, 1966 to 1969. The World Green Revolution was connected with answer A, agriculture production. The latest population census was undertaken in answer C, 2011. Land reform largely benefited the economic condition of answer A, small farmers. SAARC is a regional organization of answer C, South Asian states.